Oh my god, I look so goth with these lips on, but they look so cute. So, today's video is going to be about me slicking my hair very, very straight because it's annoying and I don't really like my hair that much. I mean, I like my hair, but for some weird reason, like my hair is now getting... Actually, no. My hair is really different since I'm like really mixed and I don't even know what I have inside of me, but on the top of my head, or like my hair, this part gets super frizzy and very curly. But then the bottom of my hair, it's just like plain wavy, you know? And I would rather have the plain wavy one because I have more of this than the one I have on top. And like, it's just really bad. And like, I can't even like leave my hair down because that's what would happen. But it's okay. I'm still beautiful, whatever. So what we're gonna do is, what I have to do, I have to start very slow, and I'm gonna speed this up for you guys so it won't like take a long time because I know you guys don't want to watch this for a long time. So I'm gonna speed it up and I'll show you guys the results later. All right, so let's start.
Bye. Should we start by? So I always start these ends in this part. You guys have to do, and if you have like wavy hair or something like that, like me, and if you have straight hair, this is not the right video for you. So, if you have wavy hair, just start with really small pieces because the smaller you get, the like sleeker your hair is gonna be. Because when you straight, like if you like straight a whole, like a big chunk of your hair, and then like straight another one, it's gonna get super poofy, so you don't wanna do that. So get like a small piece of hair like that, and then start straightening it like that. Okay, I'll show you guys in a little bit.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna grab a little bit of coconut milk serum and we're just gonna pump a little bit on our hand. And if you want more, you can like put some more in later. Just put it throughout your hair, everywhere, the tips of your hair and everything like that. I'm only gonna use one straightener because the other one I noticed that wasn't that good, so I'm just gonna use that one. And always straighten your hair from the root of your head because if you don't, then you're not gonna get the result that you want. So yeah, just keep doing this and I'll just leave you guys with the music and there you go.
Like, this is cute. If my hair was just like this and down pretty, yes, I would totally wear my hair and I would never ruin it again. But no, it has to be weird.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this hair straightening tutorial. I'm very happy with the result. Like, dude, my hair is barely even frizzy. Like, yo, what is this? Like, is that even possible? But I did it, and my hair looks really good right now. Like, I'm kind of shook, you know? Oh my god, I look so good. God dang. Is that me? Was that me? Is that you? Alright, but thank you guys for watching this hair straightening tutorial. And if you guys, I don't know if you guys can buy this at some place, but it's called the Infinity Pro Con Air. This is what professionals use, I'm guessing, in like hair salons. So you should definitely go cop this like right now, because for the girls or guys, it doesn't matter what you are. Totally go buy that one. It's like the best. And use this coconut milk anti-breakage serum. So it has coconut milk, coconut oil, ultra whipped egg, white protein. So it's just for your hair. It's like really good for it. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. And I can't look at myself, it's kind of weird. And subscribe if you're new, like I said, like in the intro. And if you're not new, just like all my videos from back then. And yeah, share this video and do all that. And go follow me on my social medias down below. I'm gonna list them all down below, so go check them out. I'm about to post like some other cute photos and things like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll be back with more.